Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Magicplan tutorial how to add closet. So we'll create new floor plans, go to ground floor, and then I will click insert room, add square room, and I will insert for bedroom. So if you want to add closet into this bedroom, you can click insert button, go to objects, and then you can choose plumbing. So you can scroll down. Like in here, you can see we have this toilet tools. You can click or you can use this urinal. So I will use the toilet and it will be automatically insert into your drawing area. So you can move, rotate the objects. Okay, that's it for basic Magicplan tutorial, how to add closet. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.